More than 700,000 people in the United States are diagnosed with gonorrhea yearly, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The National Institutes of Health defines gonorrhea as a sexually transmitted disease that can impact the reproductive system in men and women. The NIH mentions this infection can go undetected due to a lack of symptoms. Gonorrhea can infect the urethra, cervix, rectum, eyes, and throat. The Mayo Clinic lists the symptoms of gonorrhea as discharge, painful urination, testicle swelling, pelvic pain, anal itching, sensitivity to light, swollen lymph nodes, and a sore throat. Planned Parenthood suggests you should seek medical attention if you suspect you may have gonorrhea. The common diagnostic process for gonorrhea, according to the Mayo Clinic, requires your doctor to either swab the area where you're experiencing symptoms or perform a urine test. You will likely be tested for other STDs, such as chlamydia, at the same time. Once you have been diagnosed with gonorrhea, you'll be given an antibiotic treatment. The Mayo Clinic states the antibiotic may be given as a one-time injection or a single pill. After diagnosis, you'll need to discuss your infection with your sexual partners, as the Mayo Clinic states it is likely they will be infected and will need treatment. The CDC recommends abstaining from sexual contact until you are certain you and your sexual partners are cleared of the infection. To prevent future gonorrhea infections, the CDC endorses practicing safe sex by using a condom and abstaining from sex if your partner has any STD symptoms such as painful urination. The National Institutes of Health recommends routine testing for gonorrhea if you have multiple sex partners and after having sex with a new individual. For more information on how to treat gonorrhea, click on the link below.